Welcome to Money Pioneers, where we explore the keys to success in the ever-evolving world of trading. Today, we're diving deep into the psychological strategies that can elevate your trading game in 2024. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 trading psychology tips that will help you navigate the markets with confidence and poise. Tip number 1, mastering emotional intelligence. Our first tip focuses on the cornerstone of trading psychology, emotional intelligence, or EQ. In the tumultuous seas of market volatility, EQ is your anchor, allowing you to navigate emotions with grace and make rational decisions. Self-awareness. Recognize your emotions tied to trading activities. Self-regulation. Maintain control amidst market uncertainty. Social skills. Collaborate and learn from a community of traders. Empathy. Understand the market's sentiment. Motivation. Be driven by more than just financial gain. Emotional intelligence is what separates the novices from the seasoned investors. It's about transforming knee-jerk reactions into calculated responses. Tip number 2, the discipline to stick to your plan. Discipline is the bedrock of successful trading. It's about sticking to your strategic path, regardless of the market's ups and downs. Avoid impulsive decisions. Stick to your trading plan. Regulate emotions. Don't let fear or greed dictate your actions. Maintain focus. Keep your long-term goals in sight. As this chart illustrates, disciplined traders consistently outperform those who trade on a whim. Tip number 3, patience for the long haul. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's a strategic advantage. It's about waiting for the right trade and giving it time to mature. Resist FOMO. Don't fear missing out on every market move. Long-term mindset. Base decisions on a strategy for sustained success. Watch how patience pays off as the market cycles unfold. Tip number 4, resilience in the face of setbacks. Trading is a journey filled with challenges. Resilience and persistence are your tools for navigating through tough times. Learn from setbacks. Transform defeats into learning experiences. Stay the course. Remain steadfast in your trading journey. It's not about never falling. It's about getting up stronger every time. Tip number 5, continuous learning and adaptability. The final tip is about embracing continuous learning and adaptability. The markets are always changing, and so should you. Stay informed. Keep up with market trends and regulatory changes. Adapt strategies. Be flexible and refine your approach as needed. Lifelong learning is key to staying ahead in the trading world. There you have it, traders. Equip yourself with these psychological strategies, and you're well on your way to success in 2024. Remember, trading is not just about the numbers, it's about the mindset. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, trade smart and trade with heart.